Hello, my magical rainbow friends, and welcome to Jamie's Disney Kingdom. Hit it, intro! Hey, my magical rainbow friends. Today's video is very exciting. I want to say thank you to my dear friend Kathleen over at Kathleen Merkovich Robertson. She bought me this Bibbidi Bobbidi box for my birthday. And I'm going to tell a little bit about Bibbidi Bobbidi box before we get in here. There is 4 Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes that are Disney themed. There is the Ultimate Magic box for $119. The Fantasy box for $59. The Wishes box for $49. And my box and it's called the Dreams box for $39. Look at this, you guys. We got the castle. We got the sorcerer hat. We got a trooper. I'm not a big Star Wars fan, so I don't remember. We have the Up House. We have a Mickey head popsicle, ice cream sandwich sickle. We have a donut. And I believe that's it. But I do want to say my box is destroyed a little. I have this big indent right here. And it's like kind of dirty. I hope nothing on the inside is ruined. So I'm going to open it. Thank you again, Kathleen. I have Captain Hook here. Maybe I'll open it. There we go. Okay, let's put Captain Hook away. And they are celebrating Bibbidi Bobbidi Box is celebrating their 1-year anniversary / birthday in the month of last month, August. So I want to say happy birthday to them. Oh, they said, it says, happy birthday, Jamie. Love, Kiki. Aww. And as I was telling you guys about their birthday back in August, here's their little card. It says, happy birthday, BBB. 1 year. From the bottom of our hearts, we want to thank each of you for making this dream of ours reality. I think that's what that was saying. We are so grateful that you have allowed us the opportunities to share our passion with you. We hope through the process we have made each of your days a little extra magical. All of our dreams can come true if we have the courage to push them. Walt Disney. Aw, Walt Disney. And then look at this little Bibbidi Bobbidi sticker, you guys. I'm going to try and not tear the sticker because I want to try and save the sticker. And Kathleen made this my birthday box because she knows I love Ursula theme. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got all these foozles and everything. And it looks like the first item, I'm getting a pair of socks. Oh, cute. These are Maleficent. They're a Disney villain sock. They're really cute. They're not Ursula, but they're really cute. I do like them. These are really cute. They have her horns and everything. Alright. Oh my god. I gotta take these off. I'm getting ears. I'm getting my very first Disney Park ears. Oh my god. Oh my god. And they are the mint. I think they're called mint and bubblegum. I think that's what they're called. Oh my god. Look at these. Oh my gosh. I gotta put them on. I got to put them on. Oh my god! I love them! My bow's a little bit, but that's okay. We can fix that. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. I love them! Alright. Aww. And the third thing. Oh wow. I didn't really get anything Ursula. But that's okay. I love everything I did get. I got the Peter Pan little notepad set. And they're the Peter Pan. The one, and here they are. It says, here we go. Here's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Welcome, foolish mortals, to the... No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I said this wrong. These are from the park. These are Disney Park exclusives. And this one is Peter Pan. This one says, here we go. This one is Haunted Mansion. And it says, welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. Oh my god. I think this one is Small World. And if it is, I love Small World. It's a small world after all. I think that's how it goes, but I love it. It says, there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. And then this one is the Pirates and Caribbean, and it says, dead men tell no tales. I love these. Alright. And then I got these. They're sending to everybody with their Bibbidi Bobbidi birthday box. For Bibbidi Bobbidi birthday. I got this beautiful Mickey ice cream cone. I got this happy birthday BBB #1 button. I think they call these a Dole Whip. I think. I'm not for sure, but I think that's what they call these. And then I got the castle. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, so the socks were... Actually, I don't know. The socks don't have a price on them. If any of you know how much the socks are, put that in the comments down for me. The notepad set was $10. The ears, I believe, were $27.99. I think. Hold on. Yeah, I think the ears were $27.99. And that is everything in my box. I love everything I got. Kathleen, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And until next time, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know which one of these items was your favorite. And if you're new to the channel, hello, my name is Jamie. I sure hope you'll stick around, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell where you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. And until next time, always remember, love one another, don't judge one another. And always remember, believe in Disney. Goodbye, my magical rainbow friends. Goodbye, my magical rainbow friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit it, outro.
Under the sea, yeah, under the sea, yeah. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me, take it from me. Under the sea, ooh, under the sea, yeah. Darling, it's better, you know I get you wetter under the sea.